What is prompt engineering? Imagine you are given a new assistant. He can draw pictures, write stories, and solve math problems instantly. But there is a catch: he only does exactly what you tell him to do. If you give him a vague command, he gets confused. Learning how to give your assistant instructions perfectly is called prompt engineering. A prompt is simply the instruction you give to the AI, and engineering means designing it carefully so you get the best possible result. Let's look at how to become a master instructor using a few simple secrets. 1. The recipe for a great prompt. Think of a good prompt like a recipe. If you miss an ingredient, the cake tastes weird. A perfect prompt usually needs 4 things. Task. What exactly do you want the AI to do? Context. Give it some background story or information. Constraints. Set the rules, like a word limit. Format. How should the answer look? A list, a poem, or a table? Weak prompt. Write about dogs. The AI doesn't know what you want. Example of a good strong prompt. Write a beginner-friendly, 200-word article about dog care for first-time pet owners. 2. Fun ways to train your AI. You can guide the AI using 3 cool techniques. Zero shot. You ask a direct question with no examples. Translate this to French: hello. Few shot. You give it 2 or 3 examples first so it copies your style. Apple equals fruit, carrot equals vegetable, broccoli equals vegetable. Chain of thought. You ask the AI to show its work step by step so it doesn't make silly math mistakes. 3. Playing dress-up, role prompting. You can tell the AI to pretend to be a specific character or expert. If you say, act as a professional astronaut and explain black holes to a 10-year-old, it will use awesome space analogies instead of boring textbook definitions. 4. Breaking down huge tasks, prompt chaining. If you have a giant project, don't ask the AI to do it all at once. Break it into steps. First, ask it for ideas. Next, ask it to make an outline. Finally, ask it to write the paragraphs. This keeps the AI focused. 5. Watch out for AI hallucinations. Sometimes, AI models get a little too creative and confidently invent fake facts, broken website links, or wrong numbers. This is called a hallucination. It usually happens if your prompt is too muddy or missing facts. Always double-check important info. The ultimate secret. The CRISP framework. When you grow up to do advanced prompting, remember the word CRISP checklist to build your prompt. Capacity. What is the AI role? For example, expert history teacher. Request. What is the main task? Insight. What background context do you have? Style. What tone should it use? For example, funny or formal. Personality. How should it behave? Experiment. Test it out and change words if it isn't perfect yet.